Hello, my name is Priyanka Vyas and my student ID is 202355358. I am going to start the presentation of ICT 505 software development. Budget management is crucial for overseeing an organization's financial resources, and it's critical to tailor these controls to the particular operations of the business. Interestingly, these tasks include both subjective data, which is concerned with the estimating work in progress values, and objective data, which includes actual expenses and time consumed. This becomes especially difficult when staff members work on several projects at the same time without keeping detailed record of their contribution of each project. The primary objective of this study is to improve financial management and project profitability by addressing a number of important topics related to the company's existing condition of budget control. Introduction. The case study centers on a small software consulting and development firm that employs about 30 people. The company decided to create an integral budget control system for the projects they work on. Effectively tracking and monitoring cost in accordance with budgetary allotments for specific contract software projects is the main challenge. The problems at hand include a dearth of information about how staff salaries are allocated to a certain project, a lack of work in progress cost estimation tools, and a requirement for a strong system to monitoring both actual and predicted project expenses. The company's management, financial staff in charge of budget monitoring, software developers working on a system development, and staff members engaged in various projects are important players in this venture. The definition, creation, and application of the budget control systems are critical to success of project and the company's financial viability for each stakeholder group. Case study overview. Agile is a formidable competitor because it places a heavy emphasis on iterative development, flexible planning, and customer participation. These guidelines support the case study's necessity for regular stakeholder participation and the flexibility to adjust to changing needs and data issues. Given the intricate and dynamic nature of budget control, along with requirement of flexibility and active stakeholder involvement, an agile and prototyping approach would be a good fit. With this hybrid approach, first, prototypes can be developed to get input and fine tune requirements. Agile approaches can then be applied for iterative development, continuous improvement, and meeting the project's challenging demands. This combination keeps the project's development process orderly and allows it to adapt to the changing needs and problems as they are described in the case study. Analysis and findings. Task 1. Capturing objective data, subjective integration of data, reporting and integration of data, constant observation and feedback. Analysis and finding. Task 2. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Manisha Patel. My student ID is 20236579. There are 8 steps in this slide. First, milestone and progress assessment. Second, time allocation and tracking. Third, resource allocation and prioritization. Fourth, encourage project teams to provide regular updates. 5, historical information and benchmarking. 6, collaboration decision making. 7, regular review and adjustment. 8, use of project management software. After that, 7-step budget monitoring. First one is real-time budget monitoring and it is around 5%. Second one is budget allocation monitoring and it is around 20%. Third one is set predetermined budget and it is around 35%. Fourth one is expense categorization and it is around 55%. One is variation analysis and it is around 17%. Sixth one is estimation adjustment and it is around 85%. 7 is using forecasting tools and it is around 100%. After that, how to apply hybrid approach to agile and prototyping. Like first one is set clearly defined project milestones. Second one is invest in time allocation and tracking. The third one is integrate project management and financial system. The case study is emphasize the signification of adequacy, recording both objective and subjective data, undercrossing the difficulty involved in monitoring and tracking spending against project, budget for specific contracts, software project, investing in the time tracking and allocation, integrating financial as well and project management system, automating budget alerts as well as notifications, fostering cross-functional collaboration and embracing an agile and suggestion made. The suggestions are meant to improve data quality, identification budgetary deviations early on and expedite remedial action. Thank you guys. Here we are going to end our presentation. Thank you all. Hope you guys are like our presentation.